Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, gagawa tayo ng vegetable okoy. So if you want to know more about this dish, please keep on watching. For our ingredients, we will be needing onion leeks. We also have medium-sized carrot, medium-sized squash, and a medium-sized sweet potato or camote. Now for the vegetables, we will go ahead and grate the squash, the sweet potato, and the carrots. If you don't have any grater at home, you can just finely chop thinly all the vegetables. We are almost done grating our squash, so this is how it looks like. And after the squash, we will go ahead and grate our other ingredients, which are carrots and the sweet potato. Okay, so here you will see the squash has already been grated. And now we're going to grate our carrots. Just please be careful while you're using your grater. If you don't have a grater at home, again, you can use your knife. Just thinly slice all your vegetables. And in just a few minutes, we'll go ahead and prepare our mixture. So a dash of pepper, a dash of salt, and And we will mix everything together using the whisk, which I usually use for dalgona coffee. So if you haven't watched my dalgona coffee, I think I have 2 videos. You may watch them on my channel. So now we will gradually add all the wet ingredients to our vegetable mixture. Mix it very well. There you go. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing, and I hope you can also watch my other videos. I also have other recipes on my channel, reviews, product reviews, skincare, and everything. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm adding more of the soda mixture and the egg. And actually, we're almost done. All we need is cooking oil for frying. Now, this one is a healthy recipe, again, inspired by Little Chef. Because it's healthy because you have your vegetables in there. You have your carrots, squash, and camote. There you go. So we're gonna fry all this vegetable okoy at least 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. If you want it extra crispy, then, well, it depends on you. If you want to add another 30 seconds or 40 seconds while frying on each side. And we're almost done. Ta-da! Again, this is our vegetable okoy. I hope you like this simple recipe. There are a lot of other recipes as well that you might want to watch on my channel. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you give me a thumbs up. Again, do not forget to follow me on my other social media platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and here on YouTube. I hope to see you next time. Bye!